Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit a location name on Google Maps. This is incredibly useful if you've noticed incorrect or outdated information for a place you frequently visit or manage, and you want to help keep maps accurate for everyone. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This takes you directly to the Google Maps homepage where you can search for locations and access all the editing features we'll be using today. Once you're on Google Maps, you have two options to find the location you want to edit. You can either type the location's name or address directly into the search bar at the top of the screen, or if you already know where it is on the map, you can simply click on it directly. Either method works perfectly fine, so just use whichever is more convenient for you. After you've selected your location, look over to the left side of your screen. This is where Google Maps displays all the details about that particular place, including its name, address, photos, and reviews. This panel is your control center for making edits and suggestions. Now scroll through that left panel until you find the option that says Suggest and Edit. This button is Google's way of allowing users to contribute to keeping Maps information current and accurate. Click on it to open up the editing options available for this location. You'll see several fields that you can edit, but for our purposes, click on the one labeled Place Name. This is specifically where you can suggest changes to how the location is identified on Google Maps. Now it's time to input the new place name you believe is correct. Type it carefully into the field provided, making sure there are no spelling errors or typos. Accuracy here is important because Google will review your suggestion before making any changes live. Once you've entered the corrected name, click Submit to send your suggestion to Google. After submitting, you'll need to wait for Google to review and approve your suggestion. This process can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on how busy their review team is. Google verifies these changes to ensure the information being added is legitimate and helpful for all users. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a suggestion to edit a location name on Google Maps. You've just contributed to making navigation more accurate for everyone who uses this essential tool. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.